To encounter new discoveries, you must dare to go beyond the known horizon. Imagine a future where electric vehicles redefine long-distance travel, offering unmatched efficiency and freedom. The Vision EQXX has already achieved great things.
Alright, Friedemann. We have our measurement experiment up and running. That's good.
Now with a new challenge, journey across the desert using less energy than ever before. Do it on just one charge.
"15 minutes to go."
Everyone in position. Let's go.
The Vision EQXX is the most efficient Mercedes-Benz ever, with advanced electric technology, pushing the boundaries of efficiency. Not just for Mercedes-Benz, for everyone. This Vision isn't just about reaching destinations. It's about the journey towards a better future, in which our adventures are no longer limited by the need to plug in. An electric future where our travels leave a lighter footprint, powering us to explore further than ever before. But it's no easy challenge. To find the right balance of weight, speed, power, efficiency, whatever the conditions. The Vision EQXX traveled 1,010 kilometers at an astonishing efficiency of 7.4 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. This is how we imagine the future of electric mobility.